good information about weight loss. Nowadays, maximum number of people facing this problem. There are the two ways to lose weight. Either reduce the total amount of calories to a level lower than you burn it, or increase the activity so that the amount of calories burn rises than that you consume it. In 1999, there to be appear a third option to all, which receives a lot of attention from all the people. A company called Mark Nutritional Inc. began marketing a product called Body Solution Evening Weight Loss Formula. Its claim was that by using its product, you would lose weight while you slept. By taking a teaspoon of the product along with a glass of water before you went to bed, by avoiding eating food for 3 hours before going to bed, you would begin to lose weight. In market, this product respected and promoted to a maximum level. The people who tried initially experienced weight loss, which they were happy to talk about this product and added value to that product. By May 2002, the Body Solution becoming available product in all drugstores in the country. By October, the Federal Trade Commission was actively pursuing the company Mark Nutritional Inc. for advertising fraud. The Federal Trade Commission was proved that the scientific studies found no evidence supporting the Body Solution was a supplement for weight loss. There were even reports adverse health effects from some of Mark Nutritional supplement products. In the settlement of case, Body Solution was put out of business. Then you may ask the question, why did so many people initially experience weight loss? If it is a part of your normal lifestyle, eating food throughout the evening, you just stopped eating food for 3 hours before you went to bed. It is possible that would you eat 400 or 500 fewer calories than normally you intake. A 1 pound of fat in our body stores 3500 calories. By avoiding eating food for 3 hours before going to bed and not consuming more during the hours, you could expect to lose weight. You could expect to lose 1 pound of calories per week by doing nothing else. One day 500 calories we are reducing. 7 days into 500, 3500 calories we are reducing per week. It is just reducing calories only, nothing to do with this diet supplement. There is no supplement reduce the weight, for which consumers had paid total $155 million in Indian rupees, nearly or more than 1000 crores. It is very huge amount for 3 years. So now conclusion from this product: no product reduce your weight. You have to do exercise, yoga or something activity to reduce your calories and chew your food maximum nearly 32 times per a bite and drink water slowly. The only one reason to lose your weight, you have to chew your food maximum time, nearly 32 times, because our teeth are nearly 32 maximum, that is 32 only. So 32 times you have to chew your food and do some activities. Both do in a day, that is ideal for weight loss. There is no product to reduce your weight in your diet plan. Thank you very much. I hope don't believe that any products that may reduce your weight. Only one thing, eat less and maximum you have to eat food for 30 to 45 minutes because you are choosing 32 times. Then it take nearly 30 to 45 minutes and compulsory you will feel weight loss in a month. That is a better activity to lose weight. Thank you very much.